Hey guys, Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. My last video I talked about credit. Just want to kind of drop another important piece on building your credit, building the strongest credit profile as possible when it comes to real estate investing, okay? Now, I know in today's society, most people put a high emphasis on having a high credit score, being in the 700 club, and those are great things. But the thing that you want to worry about the most when it comes to your credit is your overall credit profile and what's actually reporting on your credit reports on all three bureaus or reporting agencies. So the reason I say that is that, I've been in the industry long enough where I've seen people with 700 plus credit scores get denied on a home loan application simply because, you can take a person fresh out of high school, 18 years old, or maybe they just established their credit, but they're an older individual. If they've only had a phone bill in their name, they've never missed a payment, they don't have any type of credit worthiness or credit that they've paid off or paid down over time, a significant number. The bank, you can't expect the bank to lend you $250,000 to buy a home, and the only thing you've been able to show you're worthy of paying off is a $100 phone bill. So it's important that you have multiple revolving lines of credit via unsecured credit cards, a good mix of secured credit cards, a good mix of being an authorized user on somebody's account, paying off small personal loans. You just want a good mix of credit history reporting on all three bureaus, okay? So, I mentioned secured credit cards. Basically, what that is, if you don't know already, is basically finding a bank and giving them a lump sum of money where they can actually put your money in a savings account, an interest-bearing savings account, and they'll give you a credit card with the equivalent balance of the cash that you gave them, okay? Now, you also want to make sure that you don't go over a third of that balance. So really, if you're looking to get qualified for, a business loan or for a home loan, you want to make sure you have a strong credit profile. You want to show the bank that you are a strong candidate to pay off a large sum of money over time. And you're not going to be able to convince the bank that you can do that if you've only had one thing reporting on your credit report, even if you've never been late. Okay? So if you need any other consultation in regards to credit, real estate investing, buying and selling, I'm definitely available. You can reach me at 330-685-2220. Or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.